Today we understand Class 8 English poem Night Voices by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Students, this is the picture of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. He was born in 22nd May 1859 and died in 7 July 1930. So this is the introduction of poem. In the poem, The Night Voices, Sir Arthur Conan tries to explain the fear of a small boy of darkness. The boy asks questions to his father because he imagines someone is whispering and murmuring among the trees. His father is enjoying his childish questions silently and pacify him by saying it is wind. Students, this is the first stanza of your poem. Here, look at the picture. He is a father and a son. The son is asking question to his father just because of his fear. Now start our poem. Father, father, who is that a whispering? Who is it who whispers in the wood? You say it is the breeze, as it sigh among the trees. But there's someone who whispers in the wood. Now understand the meaning of whispering. The meaning of whispering is speak very softly using one's breath rather than throat. The meaning of wood in this poem is forest. Breeze is a soft wind. Okay, so start our poem explanation. Father, father, who is that a whispering? Oh dear Papa, कौन है जो बातें कर रहा है, जो बहुत सॉफ्टली स्पीकिंग कर रहा है? Who is it who whispers in the wood? कौन है जो जंगल में बातें कर रहा है? You say it is breeze. आप कहते हैं ये ब्रीज है, ये सॉफ्ट विंड है. As it sigh among the trees. जैसे कि मैं ब्रीद करता हूँ, वैसे ही ट्रीज के बीच से among the trees जो ब्रीद की आवाज आ रही है, आप कहते हो ये वो है. But there is someone who whispering in the wood. लेकिन कोई है जो वुड में, जो फॉरेस्ट में बातें कर रहा है. Now students, this is the second stanza of your poem. Father, father, who is that a murmuring? Who is it who murmurs in the night? You say it is the roar of the wave upon the shore. But there's someone who murmurs in the night. Now students, you say in the second stanza, again boy is asking question to his father. And it is very clear that boy has fear that someone is whispering and murmuring in the night. Now, the meaning of murmuring is a low continuous background noise. And the meaning of roar is a cry sound by lion or other wild animal. So, father, father, who is that a murmuring? The boy is again asking question to his father. Papa, papa, oh dear Papa, कौन है जो continuously background noise कर रहा है, background शोर मचा रहा है? Who is it who murmurs in the night? कौन है जो रात में शोर मचाता है? You say it is the roar of the wave upon the shore. आप कहते हैं यह तट पर लहरों की गर्जना है, लहरों का शोर है. But there's someone who murmur in the night. लेकिन कोई है जो रात को शोर मचाता है. Students, this is the third stanza of your poem. Now, Father, Father, who is that who laughs at us? Who is it who chuckles in the glen? Oh, Father, let us go, for the light is burning low, and there's somebody laughing in the glen. Now, the boy is again asking question to his father. Father, Father, who is that who laugh at us? The meaning of chuckles is laugh quietly, चुपचाप हंसना. And the meaning of glen is a narrow valley. Here, the explanation of poem. Father, Father, who is that who laughs at us? पापा पापा, ओ डियर पापा, कौन है जो हम पर हंसता है? Who is it who chuckles in the glen? कौन है जो glen, that means कि narrow valleys, मतलब कि जो पतली valleys हैं वहाँ पर चुपचाप हंसता है. ओ फादर, लेट अस गो. ओ पापा, चलो चलें. For the light is burning low, क्योंकि जो लाइट है वो भी कम हो गई है. ये फादर एंड सन जहाँ पर हैं वहाँ पर एक लाइट जल रही है, तो बच्चा वो कह रहा है कि वो जो लाइट है वो लो हो गई है. एंड देयर इज समबडी लाफिंग इन द ग्लेन, और कोई है जो हंस रहा है ग्लेन में, नैरो वैली में, कोई है जो हंसता है. तो इन दिस स्टैंजा द सन फियर इज वेरी मच क्लियर, और अब वो फादर से ये कह रहा है कि लेट अस गो, क्योंकि अब उसको फियर बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा है. अब वो कह रहा है पापा चलो यहाँ से. ओके, दिस इज द फोर्थ स्टैंजा ऑफ योर पोएम. In this stanza, the boy is getting impatient. Okay, so what he is saying in this stanza, let's see. Father, Father, tell me what you are waiting for. Tell me why your eyes are on the door. It is dark and it is late, but you sit so still and straight, ever staring, ever smiling at the door. Here, the meaning of still is deep silence and calm. बिल्कुल शांत. Now, what is the son saying to his father? Father, Father, tell me what you are waiting for. पापा पापा, ओ डियर पापा, मुझे बताओ आप किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? टेल मी वाई योर आईज आर ऑन द डोर. आपकी आंखें दरवाजे पर क्यों लगी हुई हैं? इट इज डार्क एंड इट इज लेट. अब अंधेरा है और देर हो गई है. बट यू सिट सो स्टिल एंड स्ट्रेट. लेकिन आप बिल्कुल शांत बैठे हुए हो, बिल्कुल सीधे बैठे हुए हो. एवर स्टेरिंग, एवर स्माइलिंग एट द डोर. आप लगातार स्टेरिंग कर रहे हो, मीन्स घूर रहे हो, मीन्स कॉन्टिन्यूसली वॉच कर रहे हो, देख रहे हो. एवर स्माइलिंग, कभी आप हंसते हो, कभी आप स्टेरिंग करते हो एट द डोर की तरफ. So this is the all about this poem, and the fear is very much clear of the sun. So thank you very much.